Hi everyone. Well, let's see if we can say our days of the week together. Can you remember? Can you say them without me, or do you need a little bit of help still? Let's see. I'll start and we'll see if you can finish. Sunday, Monday. What was the last one you said? If you said Saturday, that's correct. Because they go Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is the last day of the week. Okay. Well, now we're going to figure out what today is. And we're going to be turning over this card today. So we're going to look straight up here and figure out what day that says. So we're going to start back over here and say Sunday, Monday. That says Tuesday. So we're going to figure out what number goes here, because today's Tuesday. Now we have to figure out the date. So let's count all the way down here and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now, who remembers what I've been saying for a while now about this date, the 22nd of September? What's special about the 22nd of September? What did we say? Yes, the season on the calendar is changed from summer to fall. That's right. Today on the calendar is officially the first day of fall. Now, the weather might not feel like it. It might not quite look like it outside yet, but on the calendar, it's the first day of fall. So what kinds of signs of fall can you start looking for outside? Think about it. And start looking for changes in color in the trees, and maybe flowers that stop blooming, and maybe the grass stops growing, and it gets chillier out. Those are all things that happen in the fall. So today we're going to talk about patterns again, and I'm going to use some markers to draw some patterns for you today. So I want to make an AABB pattern with my markers today. An AABB pattern. So I'm going to use green, and I'm going to make 2 green triangles. And those are going to be my A's. And then I'm going to use my blue marker, and I'm going to make 2 blue squares. And those are going to be my B's. Now, if it's an AABB pattern, what comes next? What else do I need to put here? Because the pattern has to repeat to be a pattern. So what do I need next? If you said 2 green triangles, that's correct. I need 2 green triangles because I need 2 more A's in my pattern. And then what will come after that? I've got green, green, blue, blue, green, green, blue, blue. Now my pattern repeats. AABB, AABB. We could clap and snap that kind of a pattern. If it was an AABB pattern, and we could say clap, clap, snap, snap, clap, clap, snap, snap. That would be an AABB pattern also. All right. Now, we have 3 new letters this week. 3! And they are P, H, and S. So let's take a look at P. And P makes that sound. You put your mouth together and you make a little puff of air come out. So there is a picture of a penguin and a pizza here for P. Then there's H. There's a picture of a hammer and a heart on that. And then S, I bet you know lots of words that start with S. There's a sun and a sock. You hear that? You hear that sound at the beginning of both of those. So those are our three letters, and we're going to learn two new sight words this week, and they are am and my. So I'm going to write those up here. Am, that's that ah sound, that's short A sound, and what's at the end? Am. Am. And the other one is my, like I'm going to get my coat. And at the beginning is that M, and Y is at the end. So am and my are your two sight words this week. So let's see if we can write a sentence with am and my in it. I'm going to erase these for now. I was thinking of a sentence, and I'm going to count the number of words it's going to take to write it so I know. I was thinking, I am going to my room. How many words was that? My whole thought took this many words. I am going to my room. It took 6. Okay. The first word in my sentence was I. And because it's the first word in the sentence, we're going to do what? Make it a capital I. Also, anytime you see, when you're talking about yourself in a sentence, it always gets a capital letter, just like your name would. Because you're talking about yourself. When you say I, instead of I, you could put your name there also. So either way, it gets a capital letter. So I, and I'm going to put 2 fingers down before I write my next word. I am. We said we hear that short A sound at the beginning and then M. I am. Let's see what the next word was. I am going. G. You hear that G at the beginning? That's G. So I'm going to put my finger down and write going. What's the next word? I am going to. To is T-O. I am going to, and here's our new sight word, my. Do you remember? I already erased it, but can you remember what it looked like? It started with M, and it had a Y on the end. I am going to my room. Okay. We'll put 2 fingers down and write room. Let's see, we said we needed 6 words to finish our whole thought to make our sentence. So let's count them and see if we got there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do, I have 6 words. And I have nice space in between my words so they're not run together and nobody's confused and everybody can read it, right? So I'm finished with my thought and I need to do one more thing. Put a period at the end so everyone knows I'm done with my sentence. Great job. Look for things at home this week that start with P, like pizza, or H, like horse, or S,